G'day barbecue smoking lovers. I've got the brand new Napoleon Charcoal Pro right here in front of me from Cairns BBQ Company, plus a whole load of extras. I can't wait for this unboxing. Let's get straight into it. First thing that we'll need is open up the old box there. Always good to have your trusty tomahawk sitting nearby. I'm excited about this one. It's got a whole bunch of features that Drew at Cairns BBQ Company can't wait to explain and show me the ropes as I continue my barbecuing journey. I love it. Look at this. Look at this. These are the instructions here. It's just tools, some accessories, and it just says you figure it out. That's my kind of thing. There's no point for manuals here. Oh, looks like we've got some manuals. Don't really need those. A real man doesn't need the manual. Okay, so maybe I'll have a sneak peek at the manual and just check a few things. I'm sure it's just a few little changes here. Much better. Final pieces to come off. Ooh, very exciting. And one of the best bits, got the hinge in the lid. I can't wait to see what we're about to cook with the new Napoleon Charcoal Pro. Time to get it into place and have a better look at it. So join me, Lousy. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of cooks from Cairns BBQ Company with their instructions. I'm going to get the meats from them and some surprises along the way. So stay tuned. If you've never checked them out before, they're on Allmala Street. They've got all your rubs and sauces, a full range of barbecues, and certainly it's the advice and the personal touch that makes them exceptional. Can't wait to get started. Stay tuned. Let's get our barbecue smoke on.